Hello, my name is Javier Guzman, and the topic I have chosen for my informative speech topic is artificial intelligence. We will discuss what is artificial intelligence, the uses for artificial intelligence, and the dangers of it. So, first, I will start by defining artificial intelligence, and I'm quoting this from the dictionary. It is the theory and development of computer systems to be able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. So, in other words, artificial intelligence is an aid that humans have created um, to help them solve problems or spot patterns or whatever it may be. So, what are some of the uses that can be that artificial intelligence can be used for? So artificial intelligence is pretty much everywhere. Everywhere. Um, One of these examples is that Google uses artificial intelligence to personalize recommendations based on like the things you have purchased. So or the things you have looking for. So has it ever happened that you basically you Facebook and Google uses this. So has it ever happened that um, on Google you look for dog treats, and then on Facebook, when you go on Facebook or on Instagram, you start seeing ads about dog treats. Um, so they use AI to learn what you like and target target you with the things that you like. And another example of this is YouTube. YouTube uses an algorithm that looks at what videos you like, what videos you're watching, so I can recommend those videos, the videos that are more likely to for you to like. Um, and those are just some of the uses. There are multiple other uses. There's been times where artificial intelligence has been able to solve um, complex mathematical problems, or when they even taught a computer how to play the game Go, which is the hardest board game on earth, and it managed to be the world champion, which was just incredible breakthrough, and it shows how far AI has come. Um, Another thing that surprised me is that as I was doing my research, I also found that AI can be used to determine weather patterns. So it can it can predict the weather patterns. It can predict storms or natural disasters. It can be used for many things, and it is such a wonderful. It just blows my mind, but how far artificial intelligence has come and how much use we can put to it. So now we talk about the good things. Let's talk about the bad things. Although yes, it is very good, there are many dangers. Dangers um, that AI could spark an AI war, and could lead to many disastrous things. Obviously, um, Facebook created two robots were that could talk for themselves. That they didn't need a human to tell them what to say or anything like that. These robots were called Alice and Bob, and this is all according to an article I read that Jerry wrote in 2017. He states that these robots started talking to each other, and they spoke English, and they started talking to each other in what appeared to be gibberish, But when experts analyzed this, they found out that it wasn't gibberish. It was a made up language, and that's very scary. Robots made up their own language that only they could understand, and to this day we don't know what they were saying. And Facebook decided to after that Facebook decided to shut them down due to all of this. And humans, there can come a point where humans can lose control over artificial intelligence, and this is actually a fear that Stephen Hawking has. So Stephen Hawking wrote a book called Brief Answers to Big Questions. And in an article I was reading about this book, and it was Stephen Hawking's, a well-known theoretical scientist, was saying. Higgins states that Stephen Hawking in this book wrote that we should be concerned with artificial intelligence, with AI. And Stephen Hawking states that AI will be either the best thing that has happened to us or the worst thing that has happened to us. And it even has the potential to be the last invention we have created. And this puts an end to my informative speech topic. I hope that you learned something about artificial intelligence and everything is good. Thank you.